Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your teacher, Ms. Arooj Fatima, and I'm teaching you word studies. In this video, we are starting chapter number 2. And before starting, I request you to please raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase my knowledge. O Allah, mere ilm mein izafa farma. Ameen. In word studies, we are having the book Oxford International Primary Science, and we are in chapter number 2. In chapter number 2 of this lesson, we will learn to how to use our senses and which senses we will use to explore different things. And we will find out what some materials look and feel like. You are requested to please open the book, page number 18. And in page number 18, there has been mentioned that all the things which we see can be seen with the sense of sight. We see the things with the sense of sight, and we feel the things with the sense of touch. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not only given us the eyes, the hands, but also given us the sense of sight and touch. So, given below are the objects, and you can only see the objects and tell that what are the objects below. Stone, apple, wooden spoon, paintbrush, balloon, wool, and candle. And while seeing, इनको देखते साथ ही आपको आइडिया हो जाता है कि इनकी properties क्या हैं, how they feel like, just with the sense of sight. You can tell that the stone is hard in texture, and the wooden spoon is hard, and the balloon is soft. The candle is hard, but जब melt होती है, then it becomes soft. Apple is hard object, and paintbrush is also hard, although wool is a soft object. So imagine you are in a dark room. How would you know you were touching the apple and not the wool? अगर आप एक किसी भी dark room में हो और either close your eyes, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा object आपने touch किया है, it's soft or not, it's hard or not. So we can tell this with the sense of touch. हम सेंस ऑफ टच के जरिए बता सकते हैं कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा है, सॉफ्ट है या हार्ड है. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. लुक एट द फोटोग्राफ्स अगेन. सर्कल योर आंसर्स यूजिंग डिफरेंट कलर्स. व्हाट ऑब्जेक्ट फील सॉफ्ट? इफ यू सी द पिक्चर इन पेज नंबर 18, which objects do you feel that they are soft? You can tell. I can tell it's wool, it's balloon, which feels soft. And which are the objects which are hard? The stone, the apple, the candle, and the paintbrush, the wooden spoon. But also there is a question. Which object feels soft and hard? कौन सा ऐसा object है जो soft भी feel होता है और hard भी? For example, there is a candle, which is hard. But when we melt it, जब अब हम उसके ऊपर फायर लगाते हैं, तो जब वो मेल्ट होती है कैंडल, उसकी वैक्स आती है, तो फिर इट्स वैक्स इज वेरी सॉफ्ट टू टच. सो इट्स बोथ हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट. देयर इज सम इन्वेस्टिगेशन. व्हिच मटेरियल्स कैन यू फाइंड? फॉर एग्जांपल, if your mom will fill the bag full of different things, different objects, अगर आपकी मामा आपके बैग में different objects डाल दें, then what you have to do, you can close your eyes or you can put a strap on the eyes and you can feel the thing, and while feeling the thing you can tell that what you are touching, what you are having in your hand. For example, she can put a ball, she can put a wool, she can put a spoon, different objects. She can put a very teddy bear, a soft object. So you can tell by the sense of touch आपको फौरन पता चल जाएगा by sense of touch that what you are touching and you will tell the name. So don't look inside and just feel the object. And what can you find? You have used your sense of touch. What you find, जो भी आपने अपने बैग से निकाला है या what activity you have done, you have used which sense? The sense of touch. और हमने पेज नंबर 18 में what sense we have used? In the picture, we have used the sense of sight. We have not touched the things in the picture. हमने इन चीजों को टच तो नहीं किया, but with the sense of sight we can tell that it is hard and it is soft. So, objects are made of different materials. Some materials feel hard, other materials feel soft. Some materials feel smooth, and other materials feel rough. The things which are rough in texture, I can tell the example of sponge, जो हम पॉट वॉश करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. इसका अपर जो एरिया होता है which is in sometimes in green color, it is used to be rough in texture. And the smooth thing, I can tell the plates are used to be very smooth in texture, and the other materials feel soft. For example, a toy, a pillow, and some materials feel hard for example, a box, a mobile, a laptop. Some things are, and the wooden chair, some things are very hard. So there is an activity, draw a filter along the correct word. This toy is soft or hard. इन दोनों में से आपने एक ऑप्शन पे सर्कल करना है. You have to tell that the toy is soft or hard. What you feel with the sense of sight, आपने जो है इसको identify करना है and you will circle. Moving on to the next page. What are materials like? Our next topic is find out what some materials look and feel like. Let's find out. Materials have different properties. A property is how a material looks. A property is called, किसी भी चीज की property को हम कहते हैं that what it looks like, what it feels like. For example, I am having this, and this is an object. ये एक चीज है, and this is the property of this object is what it looks like. It's a wire type structure, or what it feels like. It's a hard thing. So this is called the property of object. Look at the objects and words. Each object has a property. Draw a string from each balloon to the correct object. I have already done it for you. You can see the soft object is a teddy bear. You can see with the sense of sight. And a shiny object is a stone, and a see-through object. कुछ ऐसे objects भी होते हैं जो see-through होते हैं. We can see with those objects. For example, the glasses. When we wear the glasses, we can see through them. हम उनके through से किसी को भी देख सकते हैं. And we can see through the window as well. The glasses and the window both are the objects. But इसकी property क्या है? That we can see through them. And some things are hard. For example, a box. Some things are smooth. For example, stairs. You can see the child is barefoot and he is walking upstairs. So it's the smooth in structure. And some things are strong. Strong means they can carry heavy weight. And there is a strong object is, bridge. The bridge can carry tons of weight, millions of weight. For example, the truck, the oil tank can go, the buses can go, the cars can move, the different types of vehicles can move through the bridge. Bridge के through बहुत types के vehicles जो हैं move कर सकते हैं. So that's why they are strong. So this is the property of the object. So you have seen, you have to do this activity, and there is a small activity that's what you have to do is you can take any object. आप कोई भी object ले सकते हैं in the home. It is not necessary to take any toy. Just be more realistic and take any other object. You can take it in your hand. You can tell the name of the object, and then you will tell its property. कि उसकी क्या property है? What does it look like and what does it feel like? So you have to tell it in that video. So Jazakallah khairan kathira for this video, and we will meet in the next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.